How do we feel about the straight hair?
I like it. I think it's
What's
good.
happening? Okay. I like it. I was lazy. Hey y'all, it's Lauren, Toyota, hot for food here for another Wednesday fun time. Like I told you last week when we did grilled corn 2 ways, we're gonna keep on grilling and we're doing grilled peaches 2 ways today. Very excited. These are some good peaches. So we're gonna make some desserts today. One is going to be, we're just gonna grill all of the peaches and then we're gonna make these desserts. One's gonna be a grilled peach crumble. Very easy, simple, you can do it all on the barbecue. The other is a grilled peach dessert pizza. I'm excited about this one. Or as I like to call it, a peachza. So we're gonna bake that pizza dough and the whole shebang right on the grill. And then we're gonna dress it with this yummy vanilla cashew cream and coconut chips and pecans. And to be honest, I've never made or eaten a dessert pizza. It's one of those things you see on television and you're like, and you think it's kind of gross, but you also want to eat it. This one's gonna be nice. This is gonna be very refined, very Lauren Toyota. So we're just gonna prep our crumble, we're gonna prep our dough, we're gonna prep our cashew cream drizzle, and a little bit of a sweet butter baste for our pizza dough, all indoors, and then we'll go out to the grill with everything and just get her done. So for the crumble topping, you're gonna take rolled oats and add packed brown sugar, cinnamon, cardamom, and then some cold vegan butter, and just start pinching it all together until it forms a crumble. So you're just looking for chunks of butter that have everything kind of mixed into it like this. So if you have a small little baking sheet that will fit on your barbecue, then dump the crumble out into an even layer on that, and then you're gonna put that baking sheet directly on the grill to make your crisp topping. So that's everything you need for the peach crumble. It's just gonna be grilled peaches, the crispy crumble, and vanilla ice cream. For the peachza, we're gonna make a drizzle out of cashews, like a cashew cream. Now I thought you could go either way here. If you wanna keep it really simple, you can just do powdered sugar with almond milk and make a glaze, and that could go on your dessert pizza. But I thought maybe that would be a little bit too sweet, but you might want that. So in this case, the more subtle cashew cream would be like a lighter option. Not a lighter option, just like a less sugary option, because we're also gonna put sugar on the crust or on the pizza dough. So to a high-powered blender, add some raw cashews, add some non-dairy milk. I'm gonna sweeten with maple syrup, and add some vanilla extract also. And now give that a blend until it's really smooth. That's gonna taste delicious on the peachza. So we wanna refrigerate it while we go grill, so pour this into a squeeze bottle. Well, I'm using a squeeze bottle, you don't have to. That's how you get that schmancy drizzle. Okay, and we're gonna put this in the fridge. We're gonna make a quick sweet butter baste for our pizza, and then we're going to the grill. So here's some melted vegan butter, and to this we're gonna add some sugar, brown sugar, some cardamom, some cinnamon, and some vanilla powder. So just combine this. Use a brush or whatever, because you're gonna brush it onto the dough anyway. So, you know that dough, it's in the Hot for Food cookbook, right? We're just gonna split it in half and make 2 pizzas, or you can make 1 and save the other half for whatever you want. And now I've oiled a baking sheet, because you need to take this out to the barbecue this way. If you need to oil your hands, just do that so it doesn't stick. And just kind of like hand stretch this out into, it doesn't have to be a perfect looking pizza. We don't want it to be perfect. So just do this, and then that's good to kind of go on the grill. And when it's on the grill, that's when we will baste it with the butter mixture. The best way to grill these peaches is to just have them like this and take out the little pit. Okay, so I have a lot of peaches here. Not all of them are so great. Some are kind of looking a bit brown. So just make sure you get nice ones. Okay, so you actually have to cut the peaches into little quarters in order to get the nice grill marks on every piece. But these look delicious. So here's our crisp topping. You can see it's browning, but it needs a little bit more time, because what you want to happen is it may just look like one solid mess, but then you can break it up with a fork once it cools down a little bit. Okay, it's pizza time. So what you want to do is take your sweet butter baste and do one side, and that's going to go on the grill first. Baste side down. So it's about 5 minutes a side if your barbecue's nice and hot. Now once the underside is nice and golden brown and caramelized, baste the uncooked side and give it a flip and let it finish baking. Guys, there's our grilled peaches 2 ways. We have a grilled peach crisp with vegan vanilla ice cream, of course, that I didn't make myself. And our grilled peach dessert pizza, or peachsa, as I'm calling it. A peachsa, peachsa party. Oh. Mmm. Okay. It was all worth it. Not gonna lie. The grilling requires patience that I don't have. But the taste of all of this is excellent. Putting the sugary butter basting on the dough is key. This cream sauce I made is really good. You'll have extra. You could like put it in a dish to dip it. This might be more of a knife and fork business here, but whatever. Oh yeah. Look at that. It's like you're eating fried dough. Doing it on the barbecue like makes it so like a donut kind of. Okay, that's good. I'm really messy. And now, I mean, we know this is gonna be good. The ice cream is melting. The crisp is delicious. I already tasted it. Peach, ice cream, and crisp. We need all of it in one bite here. So a whole lot of dessert for one little lady here. Well, it's all very delicious. You're gonna get caramelized barbecue charred bits all over your face and your teeth. Okay, well, hopefully you try one or both of these grilled peach desserts for your next barbecue, summer party, pool party, whatever party, pizza party, pizza. Okay. My hair slipped like this because I got butter. I got that butter baste all in my hair for some reason. I was out on the grill, soaked my hair in butter. If you're grilling, show me what you're grilling up. Show me what you got. At Hot for Food, hashtag Hot for Food. We started a new hashtag a couple weeks ago, hashtag What Would Hot for Food Do? Which is like when you just do something crazy, like making a grilled peach dessert pizza. So if you make something crazy that you think I would do or that I would love, show me, show me, show me, show me. Someone else suggested that what would hot for food do could be like, you give me a suggestion or show me something and then say, what would hot for food do, like to make it better? And then I could do like a monthly kind of like hot for foodie dedication, say like, oh, this person said, what would hot for food do to this? And then I do like a revamp on it. So maybe that's a thing. Leave your suggestions in the comments below. All right, I am exhausted. I'm never grilling again, so do not suggest any grilling recipes. It's too much work. Granted, I was using a charcoal, like freaking mini thing that you're supposed to take camping, and wasn't using like a propane gas barbecue. So making these on a propane gas barbecue is way easier. Yeah. All right, I'm just gonna shove more dough in my face and be on my merry way. So subscribe, I'm here every Wednesday. Hotforfoodblog.com has all the recipes, including what I made last week, grilled corn 2 ways. Peace out.